Hi guys, Vidit here, Battle Asia, and today we're gonna look at the first best of five match between between Team A and Team B. So in Team A, we have Sherny in the we have Luke, I'm your dad on the Kirov. We have Ken Ken Baron 260 on the Oberskaya Revolutia. We have Ben on the Iron Duke. We have Cato Van Man on the Emmy Bernha. And we have Cherny on the Julio Cesare. In Team B, we have Captain Egg Tryhard in the Königsberg. We have Titan 1001 in the Janvier. We have Margaret in the Nicholas. We have Hentai Master 69 in the Argent Core. We have Spectrum Ninja in the Kamikaze, and we have Shadow 2265. Although Team B needs to remove one premium chip, we'll see what will happen. And with me, I have El Diabo, who's gonna spectate and gonna be the co-host. Just a reminder, this is the second battle in the best of five, and we're seeing what is happening. Now, Team A needs to change their ship. Okay, now Spectrum Ninja is on the New York. Now El Diabo is being a replacement for the team and he's going on the Yahagi. Okay, so now it is there should be only two premiums per team. So everybody you can't do with more than two premiums. So now both the teams have three premiums, and but it is not allowed. Wait, somebody left. Oh, okay, so now it is a 5v5 as I know it. Okay, this is a 5v5 due to a player error, and now we will begin in a couple of minutes. So let me just tell the ships. The ships are we have Sherny in the Julio Caesare, we have Luke I'm your dad in the Kirov, we have El Diabo in the Akasta, we have Ben in the Oboshkia Revolutia, we have Kato Van Man in the Congo, we have Hentai Master 69 in the Argent Core. We have Shadow in the Julio Cesare. We have Spectrum Ninja in the New York. We have Margaret in the Königsberg. And we have Ken Baron 260 in the Mutsuki. and the battle has begun. I am I feel that both the teams are equal, but then I feel that the team B is gonna win because I feel that team is more experienced and their team is like better suited for this map. They have a faster they have a very mobile team. So now they've captured A. Now I think so there's gonna be a battle between the Akasta between El Diabo and Ken. So now we will see what is El Diabo trying to do. He's stopping the capture of B because then in the game you need to have more ships to in the area than the enemy team to capture it. But seems that is not the case. So now we just checking. El Diabo uses his guns, and now I think so. The team A is in a very disadvantageous position because they have controlled only one cap, and in the points, if you see, it is 36 points to 24, which is bad. Now, the Mutsuki, I don't know what he's gonna do, but the Mutsuki is a good ship. Huh. He fires at the Oboshka Revolution and loses half of his health. The caster's go- is, I think, so is gonna die because he's on very low health. Some good dodging by the Mutsuki. And the first ship is down. Spectrum Ninja gets the first kill. And El Diabo, who was in the Akasta, dies. This looks very strategic, but as per now, Team B is winning. The the Oboshka Revolution against the Königsberg could actually beat it, but they have support from the New York and the whole of the team. I feel that Team B is coordinating their attacks. While Team A, they are coordinating, but then I don't feel like they're coordinating enough. They're letting they're having a soul battleship take on like all the fire, and then I don't feel there is enough return fire. Yeah, and see the good play. They've got the Kirov to support them. Now one more ship is down. Whoa! And this time it's the Königsberg Margaret who was who was going up against Akirov and the Oboshkaya Revolution. Kirov with some excellent dodging of torpedoes. Now I feel that the team B can win, but then they will need to kill that Kirov because the Kirov is overpowered at this tier. Yeah, good shot and takes nearly half of his health. Now the Julius Caesare may die because he has very low health. And who's on the Julius Caesare? We have Shadow. Now Shadow may die, but then he beaches on the island. Yeah, he does not take that much of damage because of some bad aiming and some good skills. Now I feel the Kirov is gonna die. Yeah, he does. Now suddenly this game is again favoring Team B. Ouch! That hurt Shadow. Shadow is wisely taking cover behind the island. Now I feel that Team A they have to kill at least a single ship to win. Now if that Mutsuki has powerful torpedoes. Remember that. Now he's trying to rush the Oboskaya Revolution. Now that may be a bad move since there's a Julio Caesarian right next to him. Okay. Ouch. That hurt, I can say. We have a flanking New York. No, no, no. We have a flanking Congo, I think. Yeah, and he can take out that Julio Caesar. Oh, that hurt Sherny. That literally wiped all of his health. And yeah, Sherny dies. Now he does not take out the Julio Caesar, and the Congo should easily kill that New York. But that doesn't happen. Now we are seeing what is gonna happen. That Revolution should be aware that there is a Mutsuki behind him. He can kill the Julio Caesar, but he should. So it all depends on that Congo. That Congo shouldn't die. Yeah. Ben takes out and now he has to face the Mutsuki. And now the Congo, which is Kato one man, that is not a good position because Spectrum Ninja he can just hide behind the island. Bad torpedoing by the Mutsuki and the Oboshkaya Revolution is doing nothing to counter that. Now the Congo just needs one salvo and the whole of that New York will be blapped out of the water. Let's see what will happen. Ouch! That hurt him. What is Kato One Man doing? He just lost most of his health. And I think so he has double fire, so he may die. And I think Team B is gonna take it. Team B is gonna win. I'm 100% sure now. Yeah, two torps and done. Victory for Team B. And Hentai Master 69 gets the MVP for being the most valuable player. This is a great moment for Team B because now the score is very good and in favor of them. Yes, and they've grabbed two more points. Thank you for watching and bye bye. See you next time. Please like, share, and subscribe to Battle Asia if you haven't.